It's not like we're doing something illegal like you guys are. You guys have a warrant? You guys have a warrant? Can we see it? Why not? You're allowed to check my car? Are you guys sad today? They're at the Bristol car wash. Samara, stop! Ay, pobrecitos. You didn't have enough at the Home Depot today? All that technology and we're still beating you guys to the place. Oh, pobrecitos. Ya tomaron las placas, ya tomaron todo de mi carro. Mi ven, agarraron todo. So that's what we're doing today? Where are we going next? Well, I mean, can we go with you guys?
Yeah, we can hold hands the whole way if you want.
Can we follow?